What is the sum of 28 plus 9? Correct.
Don't you know that 9 is equal to 10 minus 1? And multiples of 10 is easy to add or subtract. This is number 28. Plus 10 is 38. Minus 1 is 37. Easy, di ba?
37 plus 12. What's the answer? Correct.
37 plus 12 is equal to 49. That is correct. Wala ba kayong naiisip na mas madaling paraan? Aber? Don't you know that 12 is equal to 10 plus 2? Likewise, adding multiples of 10 is easy. This is 37 plus 10 plus 2, which is equal to 49. This is how to make the solution faster.
What is the sum of 49 plus 8? Correct.
Don't you know that 8 is equal to 10 minus 2? And subtracting multiples of 10 is easy. This is number 49. Plus 10 is 59. Since we added 10, we have to subtract 2. 1, 2. The final answer is 57. Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.